Right. So this is the question number 3. You are asked to verify the function v is harmonic. As I discussed previously, I said to verify v harmonic, the condition it is vxx plus vyy should be 0. That's what to prove. Okay. So to prove v harmonic, we have to prove vxx plus vy is equal to 0. So here v, it is given as 2x square minus 2y square plus 3x. So when you differentiate this with respect to x partially, it is 4x plus 3. And again this with respect to x, the answer it is 4. Here vy, let us find vy now. Vy, when you differentiate this with respect to y, it's minus 4y. And again v with respect to y, it's minus 4. See this, when you see this itself, you are able to understand that 4 plus minus 4, it is 0. So when you add the both, you will get surely 0. So vxx plus vyy, it's equal to 4 plus minus 4, that's equal to 0. So which implies you say the function v, here it is a harmonic function. That's it. Okay. And now let us do another problem. It's question number 4. See this question number 4. It's verify the functions. Already we solved a problem number 3. It is just verifying the function v is harmonic. Okay, these are the steps, so that we found it now. And now this is number question 4. See this here, I have given verify the function u is harmonic and find its analytic function, also its conjugate harmonic function. So these 3 questions it is there in it. So first one, as previous, you know how to verify the harmonic, how to find out the function is harmonic. Okay, first part of the question is to verify u harmonic. 3 subdivisions have been given in this question. So in that, first you have to verify the given function is u harmonic. This is actually like previous only. So to verify, you have to find out uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. So here what's your u given? U, it is x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 1. So this is what is your u given. And now let us differentiate this with respect to x partially. So it is 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x. Okay, and again when you differentiate this partially, so it is 6x plus 6. This is with respect to x, I found it. And with respect to y, it's minus 6xy minus 6y. See this when you differentiate with respect to y, 0, and this differentiation it is minus 6xy, and here this is 0. Next the differentiation is minus 6y, and 1, it's a constant differentiation of that, it is going to be 0. And again when you differentiate uyy, again when you differentiate this with respect to y, it's minus 6x minus 6. And see here also when you add the both, it is surely going to be 0 only. So we will have uxx plus uyy, it's equal to 6x plus 6, and this is minus 6x minus 6. See here 6x and minus 6x gets cancelled, so the answer it is 0. So you have got it, uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. So from this you have verified that u is a harmonic function. U is a harmonic function. So this is the first part of your question. First part of the question, verifying harmonic function, that we have found now. And next you are asked to find its analytic function. Okay, so when u given, you are asked to find the analytic function. This also I have told a formula for it. Next we are going to find the analytic function. To find analytic function f of z. To find analytic function, this is the second part of our question. So for this I have told the formula already. When u given, and similarly for v given also I have given a formula. See this now, again let me show the paper. So this is the formula to calculate your analytic function f of z when u given. So this formula I am going to write there. Okay, so when u given, this is the formula. So this formula I am going to write it here now. So the formula it is f of z is equal to integral ux of z comma 0 minus I uy of z comma 0 into dz. Okay, and and this is the formula ux of z comma 0 minus I uy of z comma 0 into dz. So this formula I have written, and already we found what is ux. What's our ux? Ux is this. Okay, so it is 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x. This is your ux. So in this, let me find out what is ux of z comma 0. So ux of z comma 0, you just substitute your x as z and y as 0 in this. So it is 3z square. If I substitute y 0, this will be 0 plus 6z. And already I found for this problem what is us. Since I found it already, I am just writing from here to here. Okay, or else you have to find out again for this problem. Okay, so here uy, it is this. Now let me directly write it. So uy, it's what for us? Minus 6xy minus 6y. This I have written here, and see the formula now, it is uy of z comma 0. So here also I have to substitute my x as z and y as 0. So it is uy of z comma 0. If I substitute my y 0, here first term it is totally 0, and here also you have y, so everything it is 0 for us now. So ux of z comma 0 it is this, and uy of z comma 0 it is this. Okay, now let me substitute in these two in the formula. So therefore your f of z is equal to integral ux of z comma 0 is 3z square plus 6z minus I uy of z comma 0 is 0 into we have dz. This is totally going to be 0, and this alone will integrate 3 constant z cube by 3 plus 6 z square by 2 plus a constant c because of indefinite integral, and these two gets cancelled, so it is 3 here. So you have constructed the analytic function this now, z cube plus 3z square plus a constant c. So second part of the question, that also we have completed now. First it is harmonic, that we have verified it. Second, analytic function, that also we found out now. And third part of the question, you are asked to find CHF. CHF is conjugate harmonic function. This also I have told you the formula. Okay, so formula also it is like when u given, you have to write out the formula what it is. Okay, so when you look at the previous papers, you can write what it is. Now let me write here to third part of the question, to find conjugate. My third part of the question is to find the conjugate harmonic function. To find the conjugate harmonic function, this is what to find out conjugate harmonic function. Okay, and the question here it is, okay, what's your question? It is ux cube minus 3xy square. Okay, write my question again. U, it is equal to x cube minus 3xy square, and then plus 3x square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 1. So this is my question. Okay, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x square plus minus 3y square plus 1. Okay, so this I have written, and to find the harmonic conjugate, you have to find out for u. So for u, v is the harmonic conjugate, and what's the formula? The formula already I have written. The formula, it is integral v is equal to integral ux dy minus uy dx. So this is the formula when u given. Okay, this I have showed in a table. Okay, so this I have already showed in a table, that if u given, so this is what the table. See this, when u given, the conjugate harmonic function v, the formula is this, integral ux dy minus uy dx. So this formula I have written, since because in our question u it is given, so the conjugate harmonic function v, I am writing the formula. I have written the formula here. So this is equal to integral ux, we already found for this formula for question. Ux is this 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x. This you can write here. So it is 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x into its dy minus uy. Uy also we found already for this problem. It's minus 6xy minus 6y. So this you can write it here. It's minus 6xy minus 6y into dx. See, this is the formula. I have just substituted ux and also this uy like this. Now we have to integrate this. So 3x square constant, integral of dy is y, then minus 3 y square, when you integrate it is y cube by 3, plus 6x constant, integral of dy is y, and then you have minus here it's again minus 6 x. When you integrate x, it's x square by 2 of y minus 6y. Integral of dx is x. This you have to integrate with respect to y, and this is with respect to x, plus a constant c, you can write it. And here this 3 gets cancelled. Here this also you can cancel it. So you'll be getting 3x square y minus y cube plus 6xy, and this minus into minus, it is plus 3x square y, and here minus into minus plus, again it is 6xy plus a constant c. So it is 3x square y plus 3x square y, it's 6x square y, and 6xy plus 6xy, it is 12xy minus y cube plus a constant c. So this is what the conjugate harmonic function V.